Hey guys, how's it going? And welcome to another video. This video I'm going to be going over a product called Sense Drill. It's by a new friend of mine named Ivana Bosniak. Hope I didn't butcher that, but she's just new to the product creation space, and she did a product called Commission Drill. So this is her next one called Sense Drill. So what we're going to do is you can click below and check out the bonuses and more about this on my page, my bonus page. Or you can keep watching, and I'm going to go through everything that it entails, show you my bonuses, give you a little view of everything that's going to come with the product and what you're going to learn. So it's for people who are struggling to, or maybe just don't want to sell, don't want to recruit like directly. There's still going to be selling involved, but it's not going to be direct selling. It's not going to be where you have to hard sell, convince someone to buy your product, or anything like that. It's going to be done by Google Adsense. So if you're unfamiliar with Google Adsense, it's basically you create content and then Google puts ads according to that content, and then every time someone clicks on the ad and purchases, you get a percentage of the commissions. So it's how a lot of bloggers out there are making their money online, simply by just blogging and putting Google AdSense ads all over their content and their blogs. So Sense Drill is a step-by-step blueprint that will help you generate regular income using AdSense, and you're going to learn how to research trending topics and create content around that, and then you're going to also get access to a secret loophole using the most powerful social platform on the web to get clicks for as low as 0.0018 cents. So stay tuned, and that's everything that's going to be available to you. You do not need to know anything about creating products or anything like that. You don't need to be a veteran marketer or any kind of techie. You just need to be able to follow directions and just implement everything you learn, and just repeat and rinse. So, and it also works for any niche. So it doesn't matter what you're in. It's not just for the making money niche. It could be weight loss, it could be woodworking, anything you have a passion for. If you have knowledge of something and you want to build a blog, this will be the perfect course to get to learn how to actually generate some income around that. So here's what you're going to learn. Pretty much it's broken down into three things. You're going to need to create a fan page. You're going to need to build yourself a blog. You're going to need to get an AdSense account to hook up to your blog. And then you're just going to need to drive traffic to it 24/7. So that's everything that's going to be available to you in this course. It's going to take you by the hand, step by step. It's a step-by-step blueprint to show you how to set up the blog, how to find the content, how to find the unique content and on trending topics, and most importantly, how to avoid plagiarism. Google dings you big time for that, so you're gonna want to avoid that. It's got some little nuggets in here. It's gonna show you how to make your posts and your content go viral, which is gonna get you lots of free traffic. And then you're gonna learn how they're getting clicks for as low as 0.0018 cents. So, and then a little important notice here is these, you can do as many of these as you want, and you can, if you can build a website in multiple niches, build it up, and then just drive traffic to it, and let the AdSense do that, and send out their ads, and you'll make commissions. So the more you make, the more commissions you make. And there is a case study available inside this course that you're going to get. It's going to show you proof of income, as well as step by step how they move through this process. So it's just a process you're going to learn. And so if you have ever been wondering how to make money with the blog, or maybe recruiting and direct selling isn't for you, this should be perfect for you. So what we're doing now is we're going to go through the back office, and you're going to see all of the videos that you're going to get. So this is the members area. This is where you'll have access to everything, all the bonuses, the case studies, and if you choose the resale rights. But you don't need those. That's if you want to sell that or anything like that. So you're gonna get PDFs for both the Facebook traffic and the Google Adsense training, and then you're gonna get a rundown of what it's all about, how to use the blueprint, and this is pretty much the blueprint right there. And then you're just gonna it's gonna have about a good chunk of videos here, and they're really in depth. I actually learned a lot about this method. I don't use it much, but I am pretty good at putting together niche blogs, so I think I'm going to test this method out, get myself an AdSense account, and go and put together a blog. So I've always wanted to do some kind of music blog or guitar blog or something like that, so this will be perfect for that. So that's a future project of mine. And so then I'm just going to keep strolling. You're going to learn all this stuff here. So if you're not sure how to do anything with Facebook traffic, he's going to pretty much break it down, and then also right at the end here you're going to get access to this. So there is that. That's it. I mean, you can see you get a good quality of videos there to go through. It's going to keep you busy for a while. You're going to learn a lot. Next thing I want to show you before we wrap this up is my bonuses. So I put together a bonus package that is going to help you create content, find content, and it's all going to be complimentary for this course. So it's going to help you make your life a little bit easier. So the first bonus is put together a list of 11 sites that you can go and find trending topics and topics that are going viral. So this will help you cut the time. You're going to be able to go straight to the point, get to the point, find what the content you need, and know what's out there, know what people are liking, and then be able to spin that content and create your own and create intriguing posts using the training inside this course to make material or content that people really want to read, and will get you traffic. So the next one is going to be an article rewriter. So this is just not everybody is a writer, it has writing skills. This is going to cut that learning skill down. It's going to be able to rewrite and spin the articles so that Google excuse me, doesn't red flag it as to copy and paste a plagiarism post. So you'll definitely need that one. That's going to be a very, very useful tool. Next one is going to be Pinterest. That's very, very powerful, especially for content and bloggers. Bloggers love to use Pinterest to get traffic, free traffic to their blogs. So you'll get a little guide on how to do that. This is going to tell you how to research trending topics to see what is actually out there, what is trending, what people want to see. So it's just a little hack that's going to save you some time. Instagram is another great place to put your blog. People are looking forward to or on Instagram all the time. So this is going to teach you how to take advantage of that. And then a little less known one that people aren't using is LinkedIn. So you can learn how to take advantage of LinkedIn and get your content in front of a large amount of people, especially if it's business related. They're going to eat that right up. And then I just put together 2 more case studies that are going to show you how to turn 762 into 370, and then another one that shows you how to make 1092.98 in 2 days with affiliate marketing. So you're gonna get lots and lots of good stuff there, and I believe the price is under $15 right now, so it's not too much. So next thing to do is just click the link below. and snag all this before this launch ends, because these bonuses are going to come down and the price is going to go up. So grab it, subscribe to my channel, and I'll talk to you soon. Have an awesome day.